Na okwaniro mwanchi muligereria ndonsi asoberete Chinsa Ikomi chabana magoroba enga kibono tokoletera mangana maya asenchera yobwenge korwa segetaseni kya wanchete Ndizi TV nero bwansubo mugusi litukone lyo moyo kigima omutenyino yo gatano nalimo mwaka w'ikiri bwibere na 2022 chinga kibonense ya Kenya gendrete kwana kya maberera au agesiasa chinga kya barayi bagendete guyakira ekoko chinsemo au egera banyale kwenyorera obobwi ase obachori obo obomo bwa Kenya kwanza sebono nigo bali ase geti ya Kasarani imemo cyo Nairobi abwase bagendrete gukwanira igoro ye manifesto yobomo bwo ndena lya ya bagucha gokolera abakenya ase obachori bonene buli bosio chinga kibono nobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance bokora wana Raila Odinga amona babwatani bande bali ase nsemo ya Nyatike kutoka se county ya Migori ase bagendete guyakira ekoko ase bono inyore naende omokonyo ya Raila Odinga omusubati Martha Karua na Ida Odinga no barase county ya Kisii ase bono baikira segeti yechigosoli kya Gusii Stadium abwase bagukwana nabangi nabagusi igoro yobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja nandina lya ya bagucha gokolera abakenya gati yabarayi baikiranira segeti ekyo kya Gusii Stadium ngamono yokuligekerugo kyobo governor gwetera sekiama kya ODM Paul Simba Arati mugavana we county ya Kisii James Ongwae omo women rep kurase county ya Murang'a musubati Sabina Chege gati yabarayi bande na Martha Karua omonyene na Aida Odinga mwanchu muligereria ayuna ali na nyariko bagingo koro kwariganiria se chinga kechiga kumanye asenchera yobwenge to baise gosuka asibali mogoto bwate gwetera senchera ye mitandao tonyole buna Ndizi TV News nabo igo ensemo ya YouTube nabo igo Facebook nekero bwate chinga kibono nabo go tweet @Ndizi TV News ase amangana ayo amo na yanda mange to baise gosuka nkwira nanda segekeke kirebusyo Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nulia tokubwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigato ya chake netaro yobo mu Azimio la Umoja One Kenya obubo aragwano musubati Martha Karua uyoro mokonyo ya Raila Odinga asobo mu Azimio la Umoja no murugyo ye Aida Odinga abubaika mapema lero ase county ya Kisii asibacha akire nyagitali nene ya Kisii teaching and referral abu asibaigora inyagitali yabangina amo nabana nigo banyarko bako egwokoboko amo no mu governor we county ya Kisii James Ongwae
Itawezekana.
Basi Azimio
Inawezekana.
Asante. Your Excellency the First Lady, Your Excellency our next Deputy President, mine is to welcome you here and to tell you that in this center we have attached officers from the county, psychotherapists and other officers and even nurses and so on to work here, and we are going to work very, very closely with the county MP, Mama Janet Ongera. It's now my pleasure to invite our next Deputy President, Her Excellency Martha Karua, to talk to us quickly.
Chinga kecho no muswati Martha amona Aida Odinga nigo bakwanera igoro yechisegi chege nkago se gender based violence abwase Karuate babagucha kuira serikali nigo bagucha kwenekia unababikire mirobelyo yokorwane chisegi echo cha nyumba abwase abantu baguchi batuka nobokongu ngati yabo barabana abasubati nabo igononya nabagaka abwase atebabuna nigo bale no mogokonge county ya Kisii negendete kurwania chisegi echo cha nyumba.
Tuna furaha ya kuona vile mumejikakamua mkiongozwa na Women Rep Janet Ongera, Senator MP Mama Janet Ongera kuwa na hii nyumba ya kimbilio ya wanawake, wasichana na hata nimeona iko mahali pia ya kutibu wanaume. Hii ni kitu muhimu sana sababu tunajua ziko kesi nyingi za watoto wetu, wanawake wetu kuwa wameathiriwa both psychologically and physically. Hii ni center ya kukinga wale wanaathiriwa kijinsia, na nina furaha pia kuona county government ikiongozwa na Governor Ongwae inashirikiana na hii kituo.
Kate mkono uache bila mikono. Na iko na watoto, atatuza namna gani watoto? Wale watoto ambaye tumezaa, children's rights. Watoto wote ni watoto wetu. You can't molest a child. What I've seen inside here is terrifying. Mtoto ni mtoto wa mwenyewe kama mdogo, lakini akishatoka ni mtoto wa kila mtu.
Nigo boigo woman rep cross county ya Murang'a omusubati Sabina Chege anyara kobaga kubatogia omusubati Janet Ongera no mugavana Kisii James Ongwae aso kubeki merobelimiya ase county ya Kisii anena ase sector yobochenu asabaigo mongina Aida Odinga anyara kobaga kubolia bamenyi cross county ya Kisii komosira omugaka Raila Odinga asobochole bonene boli bosyo abwasate bire bunani go barache gukora magendera mange ere amona Martha Karua.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Azimio kwangu ni kumwambia hongera Janet Ongera kwa sababu ni mama kaunti kama mimi na amefanya kazi ya maana sana. Na pili ni kumwambia Governor Ongwae asanti kwa sababu pia umeleta wafanyikazi hapa. Hiyo ile kufanya kazi pamoja na mama county itafanya wananchi wafaidike zaidi. Na waomba kwa heshima huyu mama siakae bado akiwa mama county.
Kumbuke tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8. Angalia pale. Unaona pale? Unaona pale? Baba na Jaodi. Kura yote hapo kwa baba.
Ayo wano mwanchu muligereria oroboti oruo bunana Martha Karua barase county ya Kisii no chiko ya nyora asenchira yobo ikiranwe kero yaragire nsemo ya bono botuko ekera bali kibaito bale ase chinsemo au kwaregania mangana yo asenchira yobo ikiranwe kero to usuka motwe omokomanda bwo banyanyimbo ukasarani Peter Mwanzo oyoko nyoro munyanyimbo gosomo komanda se ensemeyo nigo bono anganyetiwe na koirwa sensemo ya Nakuru engana yararetiwe no mwaziri ibobolendi waime Dr. Freddy Matiang'iri tukuligoro chingaki atarirete county ya Nakuru gokwanera igoro yobolendi county eyo asamatuka magega nigo yanyariko bake gotwara mechande menge asamangana yobolendi ekikiagarire akorira monchorerio asensemo yoboteneneri ase ensemeyo nigo Mwanzo anyara kobaga kuirali bagalia ya Beatrice Kiraguri oyoko nyoromo police commander asensemeyo.
Huyu ndio police commander wetu mpya wa hapa. Baada atakuwa na sisi hapa tasimamia kazi mpya. Kwa sababu tunataka uwajibikaji na kazi ifanyike vizuri kwa sababu hatuwezi kuishi kwa nchi ambao wakora wanatembea kwa miji mpaka mchana. Deploy unprecedented fire and force kwa hao watu. Na mtu asije kunilecha mimi hapa kuniambia mambo ya human rights. Walikuwa wapi wakati wanaua watoto wetu?
Ekiombe kia NHIF bakubwathana ekiombe kia Johnson Kenya nigo babekire okoigwana gosese iyo koigwana asokobwaterana asobokorari bwobachenu unenjere ya moyo guchagokonya abarwire bwo muchando prostate cancer na barobo konyoro bokorari na konyora mariogo gutumeke kadi iyo ya NHIF korengana nabateneneri korwa sebyombe bibibere nigo batebire ye nenjere ya moyo kwinyora abarwire bali batanyare gutwara chibesa koboko na likaliaye gutumeke kadi ya NHIF.
As you're all aware, the reforms that NHIF is going through right now has two main outcomes or targets. Number one is to transform NHIF into a strategic purchaser for healthcare. The other one, which that is to support, is to scale up universal health coverage or achievement of universal health coverage. This is no mean feat, and it is His Excellency the President's Big Four agenda for attainment for healthcare for all by the end of this year. It is firmly embedded in our Constitution, Article 34(1)(a), Vision 2030, the social pillar, and also the AU, that's Vision 2063. I think we stick to the 6 months.
Excited to join you in this important event to witness the signing of the MOU, which will be a game changer for prostate cancer patients who are NHIF members. Non-communicable diseases, including cancer, remains a major health concern in the country, with cancer being the third common disease that causes undue suffering, emotional trauma, financial burden, and death. Every year, there are 42,116 cases and 27,092 deaths from cancer. And I believe that figure rises. Prostate cancer is the leading type of cancer among the male population, with over 3,400 new cases and 1,740 deaths recorded annually.
Omo Governor we County ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandagor nigobono atebire a handshake gati y'umuraibu ensomoske Uhuru Kenyatta amono muraibu kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nero ya ireire emerobirie menge gutakoreka asense ya Kenya nigatebire gocha amo kwa babira uko nigo kwanyariko bagokoreta maba mange gati abo gokonga kwibirengo by'ubugima asaba Kenya babutambe nigaya kwanaya ase county ya Uasin Gishu abo asatebire buna ense ya Kenya kanga yasukire bosio asichinga kichi wenerete kolende a handshake egachagati na gotenenie merobirie menge ya serikali.
That handshake is the father and mother of problems of this country. Because after the handshake, we lost focus. And I can tell you as a county, from my county perspective, we had the housing agenda that was being rolled out by the national government, which was a very vibrant and a very brilliant idea. And we in Uasin Gishu were supposed to benefit from about 2,000 housing units. The 2,000 housing units, my friend, every single housing unit was going to create 8 employment opportunities. Now multiply 2,000 times 8. How many employment opportunities are those? We lost them. Why? Because when the handshake came, the focus shifted from the big four and it went to other things like BBI and many other things. It therefore affected what we had projected ourselves as a county that we were going to get from national government and the employment that we have created. So I think the handshake in terms of development for us has lowered what we probably have achieved. 2, we expected that Raila, who has always said this, he believes in revolution, would have actually made sure that we receive 35% of the county allocation. It never happened.
Omo Senator we County ya Tharaka Nithi Kithure Kindiki ononigao amomochiro muraibu ensomoske Uhuru Kenyatta asoko baumbia abantu bensemeyo asanyareko batanya kubatarira sigika egitambe korengana no musenator uyu nigatebire buna Uhuru Kenyatta nigagenderete kumuraleria Raila Odinga asorgongo rwa Mount Kenya asekulinda tebire buna kurwa sensemeyo tibali guchikomo koboko gusekomusira Odinga asobochoryo bonene buri busyo yomokonyi bumurai bwense Dr. Ruto asoborai bwa monchoryo.
Tulichagua Uhuru Kenyatta tarehe 8 mwezi wa 8 2017. He has never stepped in Tharaka Nithi until today. For 5 years, kazi ya Uhuru Kenyatta imekuwa State House Nairobi, anaenda Mombasa, anaenda Kisumu, anaenda Ngambo, anarudi State House Nairobi. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? I speak with authority. I speak with conviction. And I speak with clarity There is no way we can allow, sisi watu wa Tharaka Nithi, hatuwezi tukakubali Uhuru Kenyatta ambaye ametusaliti, akatutesa, akatudharau. Barabara zote zile alitutuma huku mimi nikiwa majority leader ku launch, zote zilikwama. Ajakanyanga hapa. Hatuwezi tukakubali Uhuru wakati anaenda nyumbani atuletee mradi wake wa kitendawili. We will not allow. We will not allow. Na wale watamuona leo wamwambie hivi: Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, outgoing president, we will not give you a single vote from this place. Wewe fanya hivi. Wewe ni baba yetu, you are our leader. We respect you. Na sisi ni watu tumelelewa vizuri. We respect leaders. Hata hiyo madharau mingi umetufanyia, ukafanyia deputy president, ukafanyia wale wengine wote wafuasi wako, including Moses Kuria, including JB Muturi, hiyo madharau yote tumekusamea. We have forgiven you unconditionally. We will not even speak ill of you. But we will not forget. Vile vile, hatuwezi tukakubali utufanyie hii madharau yote, alafu mwisho ukuje dakika ya mwisho upige simu useme tuchague mtu ya kitendawili.
Na kurwa sorogongo rwa coast nigoto gwika ase port ya Lamu abase tukumanyiwa buna chimeli 12 nigo kigendete gukora obokorari asensemeyo eyuere kiorokererio buna obonchereri nigo bari buya asensemeyo kolengana nabateneneri nigo batebire buna obokorari obwo nigo bore obwibirengo bigoro asibago keire getambukire kyo ase port yo ya Lamu ya nyarko bakego chakiwa gose ya chagetiwe omutinyo gatano omwaka wetawe chiri 2020 noyomo asibate bune kine kiorokererie kiya onchoria mbogendere gusuka mutwe ase birongo bigoro mono.
Lamu kufikia sasa tumemaliza ile awamu ya kwanza ambayo tunaita phase 1 ambayo ni bat 3 tushajenga, iko tayari kutumika, na so far tumepokea meli 12 ambazo zimeweza kufika hapa na mizigo tofauti, zingine za humu nchini, zingine za kwenda katika nchi zingine.
We are on course, and we hopefully God willing that before the end of the year we should be able to have more ports coming or ships coming, because when you get visitors like this one, next time you are also going to get other visitors, because part of the work is also to tell the world that we have a port that is functional. And today we are lucky Qatar has come. Next time we are going to have Dubai coming in. Next time, that time Oman will also be coming in. So we expect a number of people. The one that we are informing that we already have a port that can be used by them.
Lakini tuna mafanikio makubwa ambayo tumepata katika ziara hizi tulizofanya. Na yale yaliyoongelewa ni mambo ambayo tumefaulu kuyapata. Na tutarajia investors wengi watakuja ili hii nia ya poti yetu ya Lamu iweze kufanya kazi kama vile serikali ilivyopanga.
Mwanju murigereria ayongati ya litogendete kwareganiria kurugiga se studio ochiko ya nyora senjira yoboikiranu chikuraga ensemo ya bono botuko gati yabo na aringa umurayibike makia UDA William Ruto na babwatani ba Kenya Kwanza niko bare asensemo ya Kasarani aso wasiora manifesto yabo bosibo bocholyo bonene chinga kinere Raila Odinga arase county ya Migori ngokubwatelia toronsi ochiko nyora senjira yoboikirano kerekuraga ensemo ya bono botuko kolende ngwakangambia mono asol mogendete kuligereria gwetera senjira yemitandao Job Sereti Mbiamono Omaturi Vincent na Vincent Ondieki abo bagendete kubwatyo murobelyo gati yabanda bange tokweranira ngambi yamono kigima Petronila Mukeira nere producer yomurobelyo yoiga oyonekia mariogine chibicha gochera senchira yoboikirano nolya twabaterana komo asensemo yebimenyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche nigonkoro kwa